This is how you will download the papers for your research work. So if you want to download some related works, so this is the best way to do that. Just go to the Google Scholar, the first link, scholar.google.com. Go to that site, and whatever project you want to do on, whatever research you want to carry on, just type the keywords here. Like if it is an object detection system, just give it as object detection system, or whatever your research is. You need not give the complete title, just give the important keywords. Okay, so here I want to check with gesture recognition system. So give the title as gesture recognition system, and you see it will give you loads and loads of paper. Okay, so these all papers are related to gesture recognition system. And always when you're doing some research work, or when you're doing writing a paper, it's always better to restrict the year. Okay, so I mean, you don't want to go for 1990s paper and all, so always restrict the year. Just go to the left side, you have an option like anytime. Okay, so if you want to download the last 1 year paper, then give since 2020, or last 3 years, it's in 2020 2017. Okay, or you could set a custom range. I want to download the papers from 2019 to 2021. Okay, so that the whatever reference papers I choose is up to date. Okay, so the latest ones I'm choosing. So I'm setting the year to be 2019 to 2021, and then give search. Okay, so here now all the papers that is reflected here will be from the year range of 2019 and 2020. Also, for a research paper, you don't have to include the patents and all, but if you want to see the patents here, then you can click this option also, and let it be sort by relevance. Or if you want to know the recent papers, then you can give by sort by date. So different filter options you just could play with. Okay, so now you see these are the reference papers that I have. And as you know that always go for some standard journals like Springer, Science Direct, IEEE, PLOS. Okay, so these are some of the standard journals here. And whatever papers that are coming here, whatever reference that's coming here, will be 99% a good journal only. Okay, so besides that, you have one other option to identify if it is a good journal or not, so that I'll tell you shortly. Okay, now you see in the right side, there is some options like HTML, and there is one file with PDF. Okay, so for what, whenever there is a PDF, it means a PDF copy is available for you. Okay, so just click on PDF, just click on that link. Okay, you see we have lot many PDF files available. Okay, so if you just click on those links, then you will definitely have a option to download the paper. Okay, so here is that one getting loaded. You see short range radar based gesture recognition system using 3D CNN with triplet loss. Okay, this is one paper related to gesture recognition system. Okay, now I just want to click the PDF. Okay, it will get redirected, and you will be able to download the PDF file for that. Okay, so this is one way. So it's getting loaded. Okay, it might take some time. Fine, so this is how you will identify if the reference has a PDF file or not. On the other hand, if there is something called HTML, you could also click on that. Maybe there could be certain journals that provides the HTML file, certain could provide you a PDF file also. But anyways, the complete paper will be available when it is given as HTML. Okay, for all those HTML. Okay, so for all those, you will be able to access the complete paper, although you may not get the PDF file. Okay, you see here, this is what I told. Okay, you see this particular paper, the complete paper along with the figures, tables, charts, everything including the references is available for you. Okay, so here it is also available as a PDF file. For certain things, the PDF file might not be there. For in such cases, you just save this as a PDF, like give it as Control P, and you could save it as a PDF file. If not, just if this option is available, download PDF, you could just click on that, and again you'll be redirected to a PDF file. Okay, so this is still getting loaded. I'll just close this. Okay, I'll close this as well. Fine. So you see, for all the HTML files, the complete paper will be available. For certain, the PDF file will be available. And if it is PDF, definitely the PDF file is going to be available.